Hello, my name is Daniel Troncoso. I'm co-founder and CTO of InsectRevolution, where based on nature, we are redesigning the waste management chain. So to start, going to the problem, everybody knows that organic waste management is one of the biggest problems for human race. We spend more than $40 billion to accumulate 1.3 billion tons every year in landfills. Currently, we valorize less than 1% of that, and the rest is responsible for 6% of global greenhouse gas emissions. We need a more efficient and competitive way to trade organic waste. But have you ever noticed what happened to organic waste in nature? Insects eat it. Insects are the best organic waste manager in the world. From an organic waste stream, insects generate protein-rich food and fertilizer that are reintegrated into ecosystem as nutrient for animals and plants. At Insect Revolution, we use insect as bioreactors. From a specific organic waste, we can generate insect protein, fertilizer, and carbon bonds. This technology is offered as waste management service using insect modular bioreactors. And we are developing a technology that will allow us to use insects to produce enzymes or any other kind of recombinant protein at large scale. Basically, we offer an on-site waste management service. We install our insect bioreactor at the client site, and we charge $65 for each ton that we process. Then, for the processing of each ton of waste, we can obtain high-value product that generate close to $700 in sales. Both can generate $766 for each ton that our client delivers to us. We know that the realities of waste production is different in each industry, and we have a process, a technological platform for waste discovery and testing. For new waste, we offer research and development services to identify the insect that best adapt and consume the waste. This process is patentable and allow us to build genetic models to produce recombinant protein of local demand, such as enzymes or foods. We can replicate this for each waste in each industry in different countries, enabling scales growth. Currently, we have a portfolio of 5 clients that allow us to validate 6 different niche. We want to highlight this San Andreas, that is the biggest mussel producer in the world, and AgroSuper, that is the largest vertically integrated meat producer in Chile. Our total available market corresponds to the world market of organic waste management, and that is recovered through insect, while our sum is 1% of the Latin American market, basis in our current client portfolio and our target market. We estimate sales of $14 million in 2027. To do that, during 2022, we have managed to raise our pre-seed round with the venture capital specialist in biotechnology, GridX, and we have managed to sell more than $10,000 in R&D services. We implement our MVP of modular insect bioreactor, and we are next to apply our provisional patent. For this, we are looking at a seed round of $2.5 million, for which already we have 5Ks secured through the follow-on of our first investors. The money here will be used to carry out soft landing in Uruguay, achieve the first $1 million in sales, advance human capital recruitment, and submit to patent in applications for PCT. At Insect Revolution, we are 4 founders who combine experience in B2B and B2G project management, biotechnology, and business development. We have the support of a multidisciplinary advisory board with key disciplines to support us in the next milestone. So go on with us in Insect Revolution.